To prototype with Google Stage, first of all, you have to select each and every one of these screens. So I'm going to select this by holding Shift. Then once selected, you can come down here to instant generate prototype. Then as you can see, it's going to start generating a prototype. Once it's done prototyping, you'd find that on your left hand side, you'd see where your screens are and you can add new screen. Then you can also imagine a new screen if you want. So one cool thing is you can actually see where these prototypes are going to. So this is where you can click and see what screen you're going to see next. Then on your right hand side, you can click on the different sizes of design that you want to see. As you can see, as I'm switching this, it's actually switching real time to different screen. So here down you can reload the page. Then if you want to hide spot, like for example now this, you can click on it and it's going to hide. Then if you want to share a QR code to someone to view it, you can share it. And if you want to open it in a new tab, you can click this to open it. So now for the prototype, all you just have to do is if you click on this, you can see it takes you to the next screen, and this can take you to the screen previously. So far your app is seamlessly designed, it can take you to this. So take for example, you want to do presentation design with your let's say team, you can use this to tell them okay what to do and how to do it. But this particular screen is not going back to any screen as it is, but with time and doing the correct thing, you will be able to prototype it very, very well. So now you can add other screen by clicking this, and it will take you to add existing screen or create with AI. For more of these videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye for now.